Javan Julian B. De Mesa. So, you can call me Ate Javan. So, for today's video ay magsasagot po tayo ng corporation accounting. So, let's begin. So, nakikita nyo po na meron po akong mga inihandang mga problems na ating sasagutan for today. So, shout out sa you, sir. So, mahaba-haba po itong sagutan na magagana. So, magsimula na po tayo. So we have Pen and Paper Company. Pen and Paper Company began operation on January 1, 2020. Authorized were 100,000 ordinary share of 100 pesos of par value and 50,000 cumulative preferences of 10%, 100 pesos per value. So the following transaction involving shareholders' equity occurred during the first year of operation. So magsisimula na po tayo, guys. So ang gagawin po natin for January 1 is meron po tayong dalawang transaction na ginagawa. We have journalizing and memo entry. So hindi po tayo magjo-journal. So ang gagawin po natin is magme-memo entry po tayo. So January 1, 2020. 2020 January 1. The corporation was authorized to issue 100,000 shares of 100 pesos per ordinary share and 50,000 cumulative preferences of 10% par value. So, ito na po yung ating memo entry. So, alam ko, memo entry po natin sa January 1, 2020. So, we have journalizing na po. So, January 1, issue 10,000 ordinary share to the promoters in exchange for land value at 2,500,000 and service value at 500,000. The property had cost the promoters of 1,800,000 3 years before and was carried on the promoters book at 1,500,000. So, January 1. So, mag-entry po tayo ng land kasi sinabi po dito na meron daw pong land value na 2,500,000. So, yan. Then, we have service value din po. Value na 500,000. And so, we have din, so, ang gagamitin po, and i-credit naman po natin is ordinary share. Para po makuha ang ordinary is, yung gagamitin po natin is kung ano po yung naka-indicate na par value na nakalagay sa ating problem. So, sagot po din is 10K times 100% 100 pesos is equals to 1 million. And so dahil hindi po balance, so mag-credit din po tayo ng share premium. Share premium ordinary na 2 million para po magbabalance. Para din, itong pong share premium is balancing figure po. Balancing figure po siya. So, next problem is February 20. Issued of 15,000 preference share for 120 pesos per share. The entity paid 15,000 to an agent for selling the share. So, ito po yung ating entry sa February 20. So, debit po tayo ng cash. Sige, yun po ang ating si cash po yung ating alam. And credit po tayo ng preference share. Kasi may sinabi po sa problem na preference share po ang ating gagamitin. And so, ang cash po natin is 1,800,000. Para po makuha ang 1,800,000, ang 15,000 po ay ita-times lang po natin sa 120 per share. So, ang sagot po nun is 1,800,000. Ay, pasensya na guys, napansin ko pala na hindi po tayo nakapag-plagay ng 100 pesos na par value dito. So, nilagyan po natin. So, back to our transaction or yung ating sinasagutan. We have preference share. Yung 15,000 po is, hindi po siya nakabase dun sa per share na gagamitin. Instead, ito pong 15,000, ito times po natin sa 100 pesos par value. So, yun po ang nakalagay. Yun po ang ating gagamitin. So, ang sagot po nun is 15,000 times 100 is 1,500,000. And kung nakikita po, hindi po balance. So, gagamitin po uli natin ang share premium. So, lagyan po natin ng preference kasi preference po ang ginamit. 300,000. So, guys, balancing figure po ulit ito, ha? So, next problem. So, March 10, sold 25,000 ordinary share for 260 pesos per share. Issued cost amounted to 200,000. So, March 10. So, ang ating debit is cash. So, para makuha natin ang amount is 25,000 times 260 is 6,500. Pero, makikita natin na nag-issue daw siya ng cost amounted 200,000. So, ima-minus natin yung 6,500,000 na amount na nakuha natin sa 25,000 times 260 per share. Ima-minus, yung sagot nun is ima-minus natin sa 200,000. So, ang makuha nating sagot is 6,300,000. Ang credit is ordinary share. So, may nakalagay, naka-indicate dito na ordinary share. So, in ordinary share, ay isang sagot is, ang amount na ating is 6,500,000. Bakit 6,500,000? Ang ginamit po natin dito is 25,000 times 100. Kasi ang gamit po natin is yung par value. Par value yung ginamit po natin na nakalagay sa ating problem. Stated po siya. So, dahil nakikita po natin hindi po balance, so mag-credit din po tayo ng share premium ordinary na sorry guys, hindi po pala 6,500,000 to. Duling po ako, sorry. 2.5 million po pala to. Pasensya na po. Naduling po ako. Kaka 6.5 ko. Naisip ko 6.5 din po yung isasagot ko. So, pasensya na po. 2.5 po pala. Pasensya na. Sorry po. Sorry sir. 2.5 million po pala yun. Naduling na, sir, na kinakabahan. Kaya pati yung sinasabi ko, mali-mali na. So, 2.5. Wait lang sir. Hanap lang ako ng correction tip. So, ayun, nagbabalik po ako para ayusin po ang ating namaling amount. At pasensya na po mga kaibigan. At kinakabahan po ang inyong kaibigan din na nagsasagot ng corporation accounting. Mali-mali na yung tingin sa calculator. Imbis na 2, nagiging 6. Triple pala. So, 2.5 po. So, dahil hindi po uli balance. So, mag-credit po tayo ng 3,800,000. Para po balance. So, for the next transaction, we have April 1. April 1 na tayo. So, 20,000 ordinary share under share subscription at 350 per share. No share certificate are issued until a subscription contract is paid. Full, no cash was received. So, sinabi dito is under share of subscription. So, recap lang po. So, subscription po, ito po yung mga, ang subscription po is yung mga may potential pong investor or yung mga investor po na na may potential na sumali pero hindi po sila nakakapag-issue ng share, or hindi pa po sila nakakapag, sila yung mga investor na nakapagbayad na pero hindi pa po pala fully paid. So ang tawag sa kanila ay subscription. Yun. So entry po natin is April 1. April 1 is subscription, receivable, ordinary. So, ito po yung ating gagamitin ng account title is subscription, receivable, ordinary. So, kasi ordinary po yung nilagay. Ordinary po yung naka-indicate. So, ordinary po yung pinakadulo. So, ang sagot po dyan is 7 million. Bakit po 7 million? Kasi po ay 2,000 times 350, kung di po ako nagkakamali. 7 million nga po pala. Ito. Yes. 7 million po. So, yun po yung debit po natin. So, credit naman po natin is subscribe, ordinary share na 2 million. Bakit po 2 million? Kasi ang subscribe ordinary share is always estimate by par value. So, ang laging ginagamit dito is par value. So, 2,000 times 100 is 2 million. So, dahil hindi po balance, gamit po tayo ng share premium. Share premium ordinary na 5 million. Ay, balik ko na yung record natin. So, yun po, nagbabalik po ulit ako. So, we have second transaction, April 8. Okay. Reacquired 5,000 ordinary share at 300 per share. So, ang gagamitin po natin, nag-reacquired po pala sila. So, yung corporation, bumili po nag-buyback po sila ng kanilang, nagbili po sila ng stock para po malinaw, yung corporation po. So, yung share nila, pinagbenta nila sa investors nila. So, yung corporation, so, dahil hindi hawak na po ng investor. So, yung share nun, binayback po ulit sa corporation or ni-acquired po ulit, kinuha po ulit ng company. So, ang gagamitin po natin na account title dito is treasury stock. So, debit po natin is treasury stock na 1,500,000. So, bakit po 1,500,000? Ito pong 5,000 na ordinary share is times nyo po sa 300 per share. So, equal po nun is 1.5. So, debit naman po is cash na 1,500,000. Kalimutan po. July 15. Exchange of 12,000 ordinary share and 20,000 preference share for a building with a fair value of 7 million. A building was originally purchased for 6,500,000 by the owner and has carrying amount of 4,800,000. In addition of 10,000 ordinary share were sold for 3 million cash on same date. So, July 15, ang entry po natin dito is we have so may nabanggit po dito na fair value. So, yun po yung ating gagamitin na amount sa building kasi ito pag building po mga pinag-usapan nan, so lahat po lagi is fair value ang gamit. So, we debit building na 7 million. Yes, so we have ordinary share. Na 12,000 times 100 is equals to 1,2. And also mag-credit din po tayo ng preference share. Kasi may nakalagay po dito na preference share. Yes. So, 20,000 times 100 is equals to 2 million. So, dahil hindi pa po balance, mag-credit po tayo ng share premium. Premium, ordinary na 3.8. Balancing figure po to ha. Ay, hindi pala kita. So, yan po. Yan po ang entry natin sa July 15. And meron din po tayong dagdag na another entry sa July 15 kasi may nakalagay dito na were sold of 3 million cash on the same date. So, meron pong cash na pumasok noong July 15 sa kanilang pinagbentahan. So, debit is cash, 3 million. Credit is ordinary share na 10,000 times 100. So, as gamit na naman po natin dito is yung par value is amounting to 1 million. And share premium for the balancing figure, ordinary, na kakahalaga na 2 million pesos. Let's go naman po sa next problem. So, next problem is July 20, declare a 200 per share cash dividends payable on September 20. So, may cash dividends daw po na dineclare no January 20 na payable po siya no September 20. So, entry po natin is July 20. So, account title na gagamitin natin is retained earnings. Debit, kakalaga ng 200,000. Then, credit po natin is credit. Ba yan? Kakahiya naman dito. Pasensya na. Credit po natin is cash dividend. My God. Kahiya ka, diba? Na amounting of 200,000. Nakuha ko po 200 is 200 times 100,000 na par value. So, let's proceed po sa another problem. On August 1, receive payment in full for half of the share subscription and partial payment on the rest of subscription. Total cash received was 4,500,000. Share certificate were issued from the subscription paid in full. So, August 1. So, nakareceive na daw po ng half of the payments na ang corporation galing sa ating mga subscriber. So, credit tuloy. Debit po natin dyan is cash. Then, credit po natin na subscription, receivable, ordinary. Na nagkakahalaga po ng 4,500,000. 4,500,000. So, ito po yung entry dahil nagbayad po ng half of payment ang ating subscriber sa company. So, dahil nga po sinabi dito na were issued for subscription paid in full. So, mag-authorize na po tayo ng share sa kanila. Kasi nakapagbayad na po sila ng full. So, the debit po natin dun is subscribe ordinary share. pasensya na guys, di ko po pala na-record yung nauna. So, ulit-ulitan po tayo. So, August 5, reissue 2,800 treasury share at 285 pesos per share. So, August 5, nag-debit po ako ng cash na 798,000. So, sagot po siya ng 28 times 285. So, also mag-credit din po tayo ng treasury share. Treasury share ordinary. Na, ay, balik ko okay na yan. 28 times 300. So, equivalent to 84. So, napansin naman po natin na kulang. So, magdedebit po tayo ng share premium treasury amounting to 42,000. Balancing figure lang po. Next problem. September 20 is paid the cash dividend. So, nagbayad na daw po siya ng cash dividends. So, September 20, debit cash dividends, credit retained earnings, amounting to 200,000. Next, October 10. October 10 received immobile equipment with a fair value of 500,000 as a donation from the shareholder. So, naka-receive daw po tayo ng mobile equipment pero in a donation. Kaling donation. So, ano na po natin? Ating ang i-journal. So, we have October 10 October 10. So, mobile equipment amounting to 500,000. And credit is donated capital. Because galing po, it's from donation. So, November 8 declared a 245 share split for ordinary share. So, nakikita, masasabi, so, ang nakalagay sa ating, wait, tabi niya ata ang video ko. So, yan na. So, November 8, nag-declare daw po ng share split for 245. So, entry po dito natin is yung memo entry. So, memo entry po natin na issued of 6,200 share with a 10 pesos per value in exchange for 245 share split of 69,800 share with 100 per value. So, ito po yung memo entry natin for November 8. So, let's go to November 15. November 15 declared a 20% share dividends on ordinary share payable on December 15. So tayo po ay mag-debit ng retained earnings. Wait lang po. So, yung nakikinig niyo pong ingay is dulo po sa gripo. Wait lang po. So, pasensya na po at madami po tayong commercial. Pinatay ko lang po, sinardon ko na po yung aming gripo kasi medyo malapit po ako at kinig po masyado. So, let's go back po ulit. November 15. So, nag-debit po tayo ng retained earnings and then credit din po tayo ng share dividend payable. Amounting to 1,296,000. 296,000. So, paano po nakuha natin yung 1,290,000 is lahat po ng issued share ay minus sa treasury share. So, times 20 times 0.20 times 120. So, yun. So, that's it. So, let's proceed po. So, December 1, reissue the remaining treasury share at cost. So, nag-reissue po ulit tayo ng treasury share, pero ngayon po at cost naman. So, December 1, we have debit, cash, credit, treasury share, amounting to 660,000. So, paano po natin nakuha yung 660,000? Ito po yun yung minus, yung April, ano ba yung date na yun? So, yung April 8 po na amount to na 1.5 ay ma-minus po natin sa August 5 na treasury share na amounting to 840. So, 1.5 minus 840 equals to 660,000. So, let's procead po sa kasunod na problem. December 15, distribute the share dividend. So, nag-distribute na po sila ng share dividend. So, ating pong count debit po natin na share dividend. Payable na amounting to 1,296,000. Then, cash na 1,296,000. Then, so, dahil nga po nag-distribute na ng share dividend, so, payable. So, yung sagot natin sa November 15, hindi po dinebit yung credit po, dinebit lang po natin yung share dividend payable kasi namahagi na po sila ng shares sa ating mga investors, sa ating mga stockholders. And last number, December 31. Net income for the first year of operation was 5 million. So, ating entry for that is income summary. Tama ba spell? Income summary. Then, retained earnings. Amounting to 5 million. So yan guys, natapos na po natin yung ating journalizing on the requirements for ayan guys, nakita natin na tapos na po nating i-journalize yung mga dapat nating i-journal for the problem, sa problem na ating sinagutan. So, yun na po. So, we have Paper and Pen Company Statement of Financial Position, December 31, 2020. So, we have 3.5 million. And ordinary share, we have 6,700,000. And so, we have share premium ordinary na nagkakalaga ng 6,600,000. Share premium preferences na 300,000. And donated capital na 500,000. The total amount is 7,400,000. So, pagpa-plus po natin, so the total amount of retained earnings is 27,600,000. So, we have net income na 5 million. Also, maglalas din po tayo ng cash dividend paid na nagkakahalaga ng 200,000. Also, we have loss on the issuance of share, 42,000. And stock dividend distributed, we have 1,296,000. So, the total is 1,538,000. Pag minus nyo po, so sagot po is 3,462,000. So, plus din, sagot po natin. Pag plus na po, so total shareholder equity po natin is 31,062,000.